Hello friends, today we will be interfacing KY026 flame sensor with the UNO board, which is used to detect fire or other wavelengths at 760 nanometer to 1100 nanometer light. In the firefighting, it can be used in the firefighting robot game. The flame plays an important role in the probe, which can be used as the robot's eyes to find fire source or anything further. Its working will be explained in the working principle. The operating voltage is between 3.3 to 5 volts. Then it has digital and analog output. The DO switch gives you the digital output between 0 and 1, whereas AO pin will give you the analog voltage output, which we'll see in the pinout description. Its working principle is divided into three main components. First, the sensor unit in the front module, which measures the area physically and sends an analog signal to the second unit, that is your amplifier. The amplifier amplifies the signal according to the resistant value of the potentiometer and sends the signal analog output of the module. The third component is the comparator, which switches the digital out and LED if the signal falls under a specific value. You can control the sensitivity by adjusting the potentiometer as shown in the figure. Also, to notice, the signal will be inverted. That means if you measure a high value, it is shown as low value at analog output. Now, this is the pinout diagram for the flame sensor, where pin number 1 is the DO, that is the digital output pin. I'll be using this pin with the UNO board in order to interface my flame sensor with the UNO board, and we'll be seeing how, when the flame is detected by the flame sensor, how my buzzer rings and onboard LED 2 glows. Second is the VCC pin, and third is the ground pin, which are required to power source the sensor. And fourth is the analog output that can be used by you guys if required. This is the circuit diagram. This is how I'll be interfacing my flame sensor with the UNO board. And this is the code that I have uploaded to my Arduino, where I have interfaced my DO pin of the flame sensor with the digital pin 3 of the Arduino board. And we'll be seeing how the flame is detected by the flame sensor, which in order turns my buzzer on, or we can say my buzzer beeps whenever the flame is detected. That's it. As discussed earlier, its applications are in fire detection, firefighting robots, fire alarm systems, and etc. These are the sites that I have mainly referred to in order to get to know about the flame sensor. You can also go through them in order to explore more. That's it for the theory part. Now it's time for the demo. Hello friends, this is how I have interfaced my flame sensor with the Arduino board, where I have connected the ground and the VCC with the ground and VCC of the Arduino board, and the data pin, that is the DO pin, is connected to the digital pin 3 of the Arduino board. Always remember the notations to use black and red wires respectively for ground and VCC. Similarly, I have connected a buzzer over here, and the data pin for the buzzer I have used as LED pin number 13. Now let us quickly see the demo. As soon as I place the flame in front of my flame sensor, as soon as the flame is detected, the onboard LED 2 glows and the buzzer rings. Now friends, as soon as I bring candle near the flame sensor, you will see my LED glowing, onboard LED 2 glowing and buzzer ringing. And as soon as I remove candle out of the range, my onboard LED and the buzzer will stop ringing.